In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tokens on Connecteam. This process is mainly for admins who want to purchase token bundles and then send those tokens to staff as rewards through the Connecteam platform. It's a simple workflow, but it helps to understand where each option is located so you can move through it quickly and without confusion. To get started, go to the Connecteam Launchpad and sign into your account if needed. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for different tools and features available in Connecteam. From that sidebar, open the Rewards feature. This is the area used for managing tokens, including buying them and distributing them to team members. If you're doing this for the first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Rewards section so you know where the purchasing and sending options are located. Next, click the Purchase Tokens button. You'll then be able to choose the token bundle that best fits your needs. Select the appropriate bundle based on how many tokens you plan to use for employee recognition or incentives. It's a good idea to think ahead here, especially if you'll be rewarding multiple staff members, so you can choose a bundle that matches your expected usage. After completing the purchase, the next step is to send those tokens to your team. To do that, navigate to the Send Tokens section. From there, select the user or users you want to reward. Then enter the number of tokens you'd like to send and click Send to complete the action. As a helpful note, if this is your first token purchase on Connecteam, there may be a quick validation check required before the purchase can be finalized. In that case, you'll need to contact Connecteam support to complete that initial verification. This is normal and is only something to keep in mind if you're purchasing tokens for the first time. Once your tokens have been purchased and sent, your staff can receive them as part of your company's reward process. To keep everything organized, make sure you double check the selected recipients and token amounts before sending, especially when sending to multiple users at once. That's the full process for getting tokens on Connecteam. Open the rewards section from the left sidebar, purchase the token bundle you need, then go to Send Tokens, choose your recipients, enter the amount, and send them out.